Good evening, fellas. We're back with another video. This is going to be a vlog from me alone, and what I was going to do is try to find a good place to sit and eat in my Corvette, one that overlooks the city and all that sort of goodness. But as you can see, I'm not actually sure if you can see, it is raining right now, or it's starting to, and it's supposed to continue raining. So I think I'm going to actually get some food anyway, but realistically just find a spot to like slide and drift and like maybe get some cool footage. But yeah, I will catch you when I'm in the car. Alright, so I'm about to go grab my Borgotron. As you can see, got the old rocket up over there. Well, I'll show you in a sec. Right there. That's my other car, just in case you didn't know. Alright, just pulled up to the Borgotron Emporium, and it's actually not even raining here that hard yet. It's not even wet, but it's starting to rain, so it looks like I'm about to beat it, which is nice because that means I can actually maybe get a couple of cool clean runs in before I have to slide. But yeah, we'll see. Hey there again. Yeah, order for me.
There, sweetheart.
Yes, thank you so much. Have a good one. Alright, I have acquired the Borgotron, and now check out that beautiful vehicle right there. We're about to go take it up into the hills and do some debauchery. Honestly, fellas, driving around at night in the rain on the highway like this is a little bit soothing. I mean, I know I'm about to be trolling soon, but I don't know. It's a pretty open road, and the only thing is that my windscreen is fogging a little bit, even with the thing you turned on, but I kind of don't mind this. Okay. So we're at spot number 1 here. Gotta turn this off. Looks like somebody's already had this idea. This looks like a pretty good slide part. Caution, rough road. Okay, I don't think this is where I'm trying to go, so I'm gonna have to make a U-turn. Close one, I almost stalled. That could have been bad. Alright, so it's pretty wet outside. I don't know if it's going to keep raining or not, but I'm just going to drive the non-driftable part like normally, or well, as normal as I can, I guess. And then when I get to the couple turns that I know are good. Oh, that's how you know it's slippery. Alright. Time to head up the Z Mountain. Road work. That is not ideal on here. Yeah, it's like wet in some parts and not wet in other parts, so I don't want to just send it. Plus, I don't have a spotter at the moment. I mean, it is Mexico, but like still. So I'll just do what I can. The thing is, my tires are so cooked that if I even like gas it a bit in 3rd gear, it'll slide. So I don't really want to try pushing it on the non-drift parts. Yeah, I can feel it getting swirly a little bit. mistaken, there's a good part coming up soon. Oh, and this guy ahead of me, so I guess I'll slow down a little bit. Yep, there you go, a U-turn. Every drifter loves this right here. I would have sent that a little more, but I high-key could not see around the corner because it's so dark and my headlights are not great. I'll see if I can get this whole one though. I was able to get it last time. Well, the first time. Okay. I almost had that. It's probably better to do this when I got someone else with me, but you already know. For the vine. Not a huge fan of drifting downhill, but oh, that was good. Almost good. That's the first time I used the brake to get it in like that. I mean, I've used the brake to get oversteer before, but since the road is so slick and my tires are so shit, I just tapped on the brake and it really got me, but I lost track of the wheel for a second there, as I'm sure you could tell. This one is a super sharp U-turn. So turn it in, gas. All right, left, right, in, gas. More gas, more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas. There you go. That was great. If this was wet during the day or dry and I had a spotter or something, this would be such a good one. This is definitely a good spot to eat right here. Well, I don't know how the drive is going to turn out, but at least this borgor is absolutely hitting right now. Oh, check it out. Got this little view station over here. We got the little gazebo and then sitting area. I don't know if I'm supposed to be over here right now, but it's a nice place to see everything. So looks like I finally got what I wanted, an area to see the city, although it looks kind of like a restaurant to me. Check out this bad boy right here. I mean, I think it just looks great from all the angles. I mean, check it out. Pop-up headlights and everything. Okay, that little section of road was really good, so I'm actually going to run it back with the GoPro on. It's not super long, but it'll add to the video a little bit, I think so.